What's up everyone, it's Kira here from Kira the Investor channel. Today I brought to you not one, not two, not 10, not 20, not 30, but 39 passive income ideas. Now make sure to watch the whole thing, the video all the way to the end, because you might find an passive income idea here in this video that you like, that you might build up a career off of it. Now let's jump right into it. This one is open a high yield savings account. Now let me be clear, I'm not gonna go into details of any of this list, any of these ideas on the list. I'm just gonna say the idea. You can go ahead and search for it for yourself. Next we got buy a company. Next we got become a peer-to-peer aka P2P lender. Next is buy a rental property. Next is invest in crowd-funded real estate. Next is invest in index funds or dividend paying stocks. Next is invest in automated advisor. Next is start a retirement account. Next is join an affiliate program. Next is rent out your car. Next is advertise on your car. Next is rent your parking space. Next is rent storage space. Next is invest in storage space. Next is rent your bike if you don't have a car. Next is Airbnb or rent out a room. Next is house sit for someone. Next is buy and sell domain names. Next is rent your tools. Next is invest in royalties. Next is purchase a billboard. Next is purchase a blog. Next is create an online course. Next is sell digital products. Next is license your photos. Next is create a mobile app. Next is sell a product. Next is license your music. Next is self-publish a book. Next is sell blank box. Next is create greeting cards. Next is sign up for drop shipping. Next is start a blog. Next is start a YouTube channel. Next is publish an ebook. Next is create a podcast. Next is start an ATM business. Next, this is the last one, start a vending machine business. Now this one is pretty viral. Everything is doing it right now on TikTok. I don't know why. It's a trend. Now make sure to leave a like and subscribe for me if you like the content. Take care.